Hi, this is Derby Perez and welcome back to part 2 of wealth building with Bitclub Network. And I'm going to show you a couple different things about Bitclub, and I'm glad that you're here to the second video. So let's talk about Bitclub. Let's talk about traditional investment. Remember that we talked about you're going to make about 0.1% to 0.010% yearly on traditional bank. Remember that we spoke about the 3 tiers: traditional bank, second tier bank, and also mutual funds. And now what we're going to be doing, we're going to be talking about Bitclub Network and the choices that you're going to be making so you could take it to the next level, because there is light at the end of the tunnel. So we're going to talk about Bitclub Network. Bitclub Network pays out 0.08% to 0.10%, not in a year, but monthly. Yes, you heard that right, monthly. 8 to 10% monthly. So if you take the same $20,000 investment that we were talking about in part 1, video 1, then you're going to be making that $20,000 at the end of the year. You're going to be making a whopping $19,200, or on the high side, $24,000, and you still have that investment inside. It's still running for 1,000 days. 1,000 days. You're going to be, that's equivalent to 3.5, about 3.5 years on that package. Now, no set returns are promised. These are mining pools, and Bitclub pays pool members when they mine a block. Now, this is an ant miner. This is for Bitcoin, okay? When you get $3,500, you're going to get assigned a number. See this number right here? You get assigned a number, and this starts mining on the internet. Now, $3,500, you're roughly going to get paid about $350 to $390 a month. Okay, now I have a lot of packages of these, but we're going to talk about that in the next video. And we're going to make sure that you guys understand 1,000% how Bitclub Network is going to change our lives, how it's going to take action. We're going to talk about that in the next video. Now remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you the experiences that I'm having. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to the channel. Ask on the comment box if you have any questions. But definitely we will be helping you. We will be showing you exactly how to do this on the next video. So stand by. Thank you so much. Let's go on to the next video and let's go.